former Hollyoaks star Sarah Jayne Dunn has been splashing the cash she's made on OnlyFans by doing up her mega mansion. The 40-year-old, who was sacked from her role on the Channel 4 soap last year for joining the over-18 site, moved into her Cheshire pad back in 2019 and has been doing it up ever since. Sarah shares her amazing home with husband Jonathan Smith and their son. Over the years, the soap star has kept fans up to date with the progress of her pad on her dedicated Instagram account called Dunn Place Up. Most recently, the mum of one shared a snap of what her stunning living room, which has a cinema-style setup with a huge giant screen on the wall to watch movies. The space boasts funky white leopard print wallpaper, an electric fireplace and cream carpets. It also features an orange armchairs, a statement piece lamp, and an arched mirror with a gold frame. The family also has lots of privacy with white wooden blinds on the windows. She told her followers, "The living room is getting there. Curtains still to go up and pictures and shelves to go on walls, finishing touches, but we are so nearly there." 2 years later, embarrassed smiley face. Her bedroom has a huge double bed with a dark green bed frame, which is placed in front of a wall covered in elephant-themed wallpaper. It also has a huge Hollywood mirror placed on top of a set of drawers. The beauty is a huge fan of bright and color-patterned wallpaper, as her dining room boasts floral prints with a pink neon sign that says "We're all mad here." Sarah was axed from Hollyoaks last year after she joined adult website OnlyFans. The star had been stripping off online for several weeks, but bosses thought her raunchy online content is at odds with the show's young audience. She refused to quit the site despite the threat of losing her six-figure salaried job on the Channel 4 soap and were unable to reach a resolution. The TV star recently made her content on the site free after raunchy pictures were leaked online. A source said, "Sarah Jayne is horrified but not surprised. It's really not ideal as she's only just launched her OnlyFans account." Sarah Jayne's rep tells The Sun, "This is just par for the course with any online platform. Content gets leaked and it's the same for all creators, which isn't right at all, but given how successful Sarah's profile is on OnlyFans, in the top 0.5% of all creators worldwide, it's really not an issue." The team at OnlyFans are amazing at getting leaks taken down quickly. Sarah is just extremely grateful for the constant support and amazing feedback she gets to her content from her community on OnlyFans. Sarah first hit our screens as Mandy Richardson on Hollyoaks in 1996. She enjoyed 6 separate stints on the teen-focused soap and most recently reprised her role in 2017. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.